In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Facebook Reel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know a simple, reliable way to save your favorite Reels from Facebook onto your device, so you can watch them offline or share them later. First, open Facebook on your phone or computer and find the Reel you want to download. This could be in your feed, on someone's profile, or in the Reels section. Let the Reel play for a moment so you're sure it's the correct one, with the right audio and the quality you want. It helps to pause it at any point so it doesn't keep looping while you work. Next, you need to copy the link to that Reel. On mobile, tap the three dots, usually found in the bottom right or top right corner of the Reel. On desktop, you'll see a similar three-dot menu near the video. From the menu that appears, look for an option like Copy Link or Copy URL. Tap or click that, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. If you're unsure it worked, you can quickly paste it into a Notes app or your browser's address bar just to confirm. Now open your web browser and go to a trusted Facebook Reel downloader website. There are several available. They all work in a similar way. The key is to use a site that doesn't ask you to log in with your social media account or provide any personal information. Once the page loads, you'll usually see a text box asking you to paste the Reel URL. Click into that box and paste the link you copied from Facebook. Then press the button that says something like Download, Get Video, or Start. The website will process the link for a few seconds and then show you one or more download options, often with different video qualities. Choose the quality that works best for you. Higher quality will look better, but take up more storage space and might take longer to download, especially on a slow connection. Click the download button next to your chosen option. Depending on your device, the file will either start downloading automatically, or you might be asked to confirm the download. Once it's finished, open your Downloads folder or gallery and check that the video plays correctly. That's it. You've successfully downloaded a Facebook Reel and saved it to your device.